So I have my cornbread muffins in my muffin tin. I used 2 rolls and we're gonna pop this in the oven at 375 for 15 minutes. All right, these are nice and ready. And we are actually just going to flip them right out of the muffin tin. Beautiful. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab our serrated knife and we are going to cut these babies in half. Super quick. Just right in the center. So we have a top and a bottom. Like this. Perfect. All right. So just like this. I did let these cool for about 10 minutes. So they're not super warm, which is exactly what we wanted. And just like this. All right, let's go ahead and do that to the rest of our muffins. All right, now that we have these all cut, I'm gonna bring in my honey mustard and we're gonna put honey mustard on each of these tops. Just a little bit. Now, if you're not a honey mustard person, you can use Dijon or just regular yellow, but just get a nice little dollop of honey mustard on each of your cornbread tops. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good, you guys. It looks delicious. Now, we are making little sandwiches. So I have some ham and these are gonna go so well with the cornbread. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab our ham. I'm using the deli slice because that's the best. Just get a little slice at a time and we're gonna just go ahead and rip up our ham kind of like in half and put it on the other side of our little sandwich. Look how good that looks. I don't know about you guys, but a cornbread sandwich, that sounds like heaven to me. All right, last piece of ham right there. Now, of course, we are missing one thing from our little sandwiches, and that is some cheese, some Swiss cheese, more importantly. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my Swiss cheese out. You can use whatever cheese you like, and obviously these are way too big for our little mini sandwiches. So I'm just gonna use my cookie cutter to make them the appropriate size. Just crush it down. Just the best to your ability. Obviously you could cut them however you like, but I felt like this was the easiest way to cut all of them all at once. Just make sure that cookie cutter goes all the way through. Perfect. We have 12 Swiss cheese rounds now for our mini cornbread sandwiches. And I made these a little bit big because I love when my cheese is just hanging off the edges of my sandwich. Oh, these are really coming together. I'm so excited. These are great for game day. They're great for a little appetizer if you're having a party. They're great if you just want a delicious, easy lunch. Whatever you want to make these for, they're gonna be a hit. Beautiful. All right, so now we are gonna go ahead and close these babies up, just like this, and transfer them to our serving platter, because now we have the best appetizer lunch you could ever ask for. Ooh, and these are so customizable too. You could do any deli meat, any cheese, just get your cornbread swirls and you have a hit. I cannot wait to try these. Look how good they look. How would anyone refuse one of these? They just look so decadent. Okay, just put this many on our platter for now. Move the rest on to the side. So it is time to try one. Oh my, they look so fun. Okay, I'm gonna get this one right here. Woo, I'm hungry. That was so good.